November's a really busy time in the veggie garden. Traditionally, Melbourne Cup weekend would be the time where most people plant their tomatoes. That's gardeners from Sydney to Hobart and Melbourne to Perth. But of course, if you're in an area that's still prone to frost, it'd be better to wait just an extra couple of weeks until all likelihood of frost has passed. I'm here in the Diggers Fork to Fork kitchen garden, and as you can see, planting is well and truly underway. At this time of year, it's really important to treat your veggies with a fortnightly seaweed solution. It'll help to keep them vigorous and productive, and healthy vegetables also taste better and are more resistant to pest and disease attack. Pests love the change of weather too. You'll find they're much more active in the garden. Keep an eye out for pear and cherry slug in all your pom fruits. And if you do see them, please dust them with either ash from your fireplace or diatomaceous earth. Hang codling moth traps in apple trees and also lay snail and slug traps. I prefer the beer traps because they're organic and probably a pretty nice way to go. Your winter produce will be starting to come to an end now, with the last of your peas probably being shelled and preserved. So now is the time really to get full on into all your summer crops. It's time to plant beans, capsicum, chilli and of course tomatoes. Don't forget regular sowings of salad greens and lettuce. They're the essential summer accessory and they'll keep you going all summer long. They also go really well in pots and containers, so it doesn't matter what size garden, you'll always have some fresh greens on hand. You'll notice weeds get very productive at this time of year too. The best way to stay on top of them is to weed a little as you walk. What I mean by that is every time you're out in the garden, if you see a weed, pull it out and then they won't get on top of you. And if you'd like to know more about what to do in your growing zone this month, please check out the Diggers website for more details.